Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 14. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 covering here and an 8 covering here, so our 8 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 4 here, so 8, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 9 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 9, 2. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 covering here and a 6 covering here, so our 6 must be here. 2 here, so 3, 2. That 3 makes this our 5, 3. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 3 covering these two boxes, so our 3 must be here. 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. 9 here, so 5, 9. For this top row now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 8. 2 here, so 4, 2. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this box now, we're missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this row now, we're missing a 2. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.